Hari Om. Mahabandha is a wonderful practice to manage your blood sugar. Basically, it involves application of three bandhas. The Jalandhar bandha, which is a throat lock, which you apply by taking the head down after you breathe out. The Uddiyana bandha, which is about pulling your abdomen in. And the Mula bandha, which is contraction of the perineal region at the root of the trunk. Well, one word of caution, this is quite a powerful practice and should not be done without the guidance of an expert yoga teacher. So the way the practice is done, just a demonstration. However, we would advise you to learn it properly from a yoga teacher. You place the palms on the knees, the back is straight. Now you breathe in through the nostrils fully and deeply. Breathe out forcefully through the mouth. After all the breath is out, you take the head down, holding breath out. This is the Jalandhar bandha. You pull the abdomen in fully as the breath is held. This is the practice of Uddiyana bandha. And you also apply Mula bandha, which is a root lock at the base of the trunk. You hold this practice for some time, then release the Mula bandha, release the Uddiyana bandha, take the head up and only then breathe in. So this is one round of the Mahabandha. Again, practice is to be done under the guidance of an expert yoga teacher. However, practice has many benefits, and one of the very important benefits for us is the impact it has on the pancreas, stimulates the pancreas. Not only that, this works on the whole endocrine system right from the thyroid gland. The Jalandhar bandha is very effective with thyroid, to the adrenal gland, the pancreas, even the Mula bandha working on the adrenal glands. So wonderful practice to manage blood sugar. Hari Om.